Nnewi is renowned as a powerhouse of indigenous manufacturing industries in Nigeria, hosting an impressive array of businesses that have contributed significantly to the region's economy. Some of the prominent companies in Nnewi include the Ibeto Group of Companies, Cutix and ADswitch, among others. Why not stay tuned and let us take you on a ride? This is the Ebonyi People TV. A unique aspect of Nnewi's industrial landscape is that many of the industrialists in the city's cluster of spare parts factories also serve as traders. This dual role has allowed them to seamlessly integrate production and distribution. Most of these industrialists manufacture the products they specialize in marketing, primarily motor vehicle parts, leveraging their pre-existing distribution networks. This integration of roles has facilitated growth and strengthened Nnewi's status as a major industrial hub. The expansion of small and medium-scale engineering and manufacturing firms in Nnewi can be attributed to a combination of strategic location and socio-economic factors. Critical elements include culturally rooted social institutions such as family, religion, and kinship, which emphasize trust and reliability. A significant number of these companies began as trading enterprises before transitioning into manufacturing. They acquired technical know-how and production techniques from Taiwan and other Asian countries, adapting them to local contexts. During the structural adjustment program of the mid to late 1980s, a challenging period for many Nigerian firms, Nnewi's industries demonstrated resilience and growth, while others were closing down. The rise of Nnewi's manufacturing clusters also marked a period when these firms functioned as de facto substitutes for the state. Many companies established their own infrastructure, such as water supply systems, road networks, and power facilities, to ensure uninterrupted production. This self-reliance was crucial for their sustained growth and has continued to be an important aspect of their operations. Nnewi is an integral part of Eastern Nigeria's industrial axis, with its culturally grounded networks serving as sophisticated conduits for business expansion. These networks have facilitated international trading partnerships, particularly with exporters from Asian countries. Over the past decade, Nnewi has experienced rapid industrialization with more than 20 medium to large-scale industries thriving across various sectors. Since 1970, the town has maintained dominance over approximately 80 to 90% of Nigeria's motor parts trade. Nkwo Nnewi Market serves as the primary import and wholesale center for motor spare parts in Nigeria. The market's reputation and scale underscore the resourcefulness of Nnewi's industrialists, who have adeptly adapted foreign technology to meet local needs. This adaptation not only provides employment for thousands of people, but also produces goods and services that address the practical requirements of Nigerian consumers. Nnewi has marked several significant milestones in the manufacturing sector. The town is home to Nigeria's first indigenous car manufacturing plant, showcasing the ability of local businesses to innovate and cater to a growing market. Moreover, the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure manufactured the first wholly made in Nigeria motorcycle in Nnewi, highlighting the town's pioneering role in indigenous technological advancement. Now let's move on to the top manufacturing industries in Nnewi. Ibeto Group of Companies, owned by Cletus Ibeto. 2. Cutix and ADswitch Limited. The company was founded by Gilbert Obiajulu Uzodike and Odi O Mosu. 3. Omata Holdings Limited by Chief Matthias Onwenu. 4. Central Group of Companies by Chief Innocent Okafor. 5. Koscharis Group of Companies by Dr. Cosmas Maduka. 6. Innocent Group of Companies by Chief Innocent Ifedia Sochukuma. Ebonso Nigeria Limited. 7. John White Industries MOI Limited. John Ray Industries Limited. 8. Lewis Carter Industries Limited. 9. Ijul Industries Limited, and among so many others. Nnewi's long-standing involvement in the auto industry is notable. Igwe Orizu I was the first Igbo man to own and drive a car in 1912, a testament to the town's early embrace of automotive technology. By the 1940s, Nnewi had established itself as the center of an international trading network that dominated Nigeria's motor spare parts supply. This legacy has continued to evolve, making Nnewi synonymous with excellence in auto parts manufacturing and distribution. In summary, Nnewi's industrial success is a blend of innovation, cultural resilience, strategic adaptation of foreign techniques, and a community-oriented business approach. The town's growth trajectory offers a compelling model of how indigenous enterprises can thrive amid global and local challenges. You are watching Ebonyi People TV.